Hare Krishna, let us see about the Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra. On 27 June 2025 is the biggest festival, the Jagannath Rath Yatra, where all devotees around the world go to this annual chariot procession of Lord Jagannatha with his brother Balabhadra and his sister Subhadra, held in Puri, Odisha. Also, festival is called as Sri Gundicha Yatra as the deities with gold decorated on wooden chariots. Festival that is Sunabesha or Rajarajeshwara Besha in Gundicha as they are taking the lords to his aunt's house. It's a magnificent view of the deities in gold ornaments. After 9 days they would return. This festival falls on second day of the bright fortnight of Ashada, that is June and July, as to Drik Panchang. Lord Jagannath's chariot is Nandi Gosha, which is tallest as 45.6 feet, grandest with 16 wheels, followed by Balabhadra, that is 45 feet with 14 wheels, on Thaladwaja. Then goes Subhadras on Dharpadhalana, that is 44.6 feet with 12 wheels. This 9 days procession called Bahupada Yatra. The festival includes rituals like Mangala Harati and Kichadi Bhog as Lord is placed on the chariot on this second day. What is Cherapanhara? Where the king sweeps the chariots with a golden broom and pulling of the chariots done by the devotees. The moral is thousands of deities pull the chariot along the Bhadadanda or Grand Road with interaction to the world being together and devotion to the Lord. Not material thinking, but eternal nature of the divine sense is shown on that journey to Gundicha, that is 3 kilometers. Major pilgrimage held in Puri. It's a global event with similar processions organized around countries. The chariots are also stopped at Mausi Ma temple and on their way back they receive Poda Pita, that is a kind of baked cake. Adharapana is a sweet drink offered to deities during yatra. It is prepared from milk, cheese, sugar, spices, and the prepared is large earthen pots and then served to the deities. After serving to the deities, the pots are broken, meaning that everything is for everyone. The moral is showing gratitude to deities and cutting off the egos and egoistic attachment. The last event is Niladri Bijay, that is installation of the deities in the Jagannath Puri temple at the Sanctum Sanctorum. Let's see the details of construction, which is very interesting. The chariots built using traditional skilled artisans and craftsmen working for months with prayers and rituals accompanying each step. The Odisha government forest department supplies the sacred wood used like phasi, dhora and simli or asana as chosen for its durability and suitable for carving. It is free of cost to the temple authorities. These trees are identified by servitors of Jagannath temple and forest officials. 1,100 big logs of 12 species of wood, 865 logs having a length of 8 feet, each of 3 species, Phasi, Bhora, and Asana wood. Then converted 4,000 pieces of varying shapes and sizes to construct the chariot. Chariots are draped in primary colors red, yellow, blue, and black. Coconut fiber, ropes, nails, brackets, and other fixtures are used. Main part is logs brought from the forests of Dasapalla and Ranpur and Nayaghar district. The designs of carving is Rahurupa and Kondarparupa. Then painted the chariot with vibrant colors. Then the chariots are assembled piece by piece, with the 13-layer potala structure being a key part of the assembly process. Tailors work on the decorative canopy with finishing touches such as the kalash on top of the chariot. Let us keep watching this channel. Please subscribe if you haven't done so and follow this to understand all our scriptures and the festivals and occasions which keeps going. Thank you. Good day to all of you.